In this video, you'll learn how to withdraw money from your Phantom wallet to Robinhood. By following these steps, you will successfully transfer cryptocurrency from one platform to another. Begin by opening the Robinhood app on your device. Once the app loads, navigate to the crypto section, which is typically found in the main menu or on the home screen. This area allows you to manage your cryptocurrency holdings. Next, select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to deposit into your Robinhood account, such as Solana, Ethereum, or Tether. After selecting your desired coin, look for the option labeled Receive or Deposit and tap on it. This action will bring up your deposit address for that particular cryptocurrency. At this point, you will see your unique deposit address displayed on the screen. It is crucial to copy this address precisely, as it will be needed for the transfer. Additionally, ensure that the network matches the cryptocurrency you are depositing. For example, make sure to use the Solana network for Solana deposits. Now open the Phantom Wallet app on your device. Once you're in the app, locate and click on the Send option. This will initiate the process of sending cryptocurrency from your Phantom wallet. Select the same cryptocurrency you chose earlier in Robinhood, whether it is Solana, Ethereum, or another coin. After selecting the cryptocurrency, you will need to paste the deposit address you copied from Robinhood into the designated field. Carefully double check to ensure it is the correct address. Next, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to send. Be mindful of any network fees that may apply, as these can vary based on the current network conditions. After entering the amount, proceed by clicking Review to confirm the transaction details. Once you review the information and are satisfied, click on Confirm to finalize the transfer. Your transaction will then be processed, which may take a few moments depending on network congestion. You should receive a confirmation notification once the transfer is completed, and the funds will appear in your Robinhood account shortly thereafter. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next tutorial.